Asian, but I'm married to American. We always make sure that we take off our shoes before we get inside the house. Your shoes!
Hey.
I'm Asian, but I'm married to American, and I always make sure that we always eat rice in the house. What are you doing? We have to eat rice today. I have to fatten you up. Let's go.
Yes, babe.
I'm Asian but married to American. We always make sure to use bidet to clean our bum bum and to clean our tek tek like this. Use this.
Hey, wait. What am I supposed to do with the JJ wash?